horse. So Tableland is Asia's second largest plateau. Tableland is basically on the peak of the mountain of Panchgani. It is large. It is large. 6.5 kilometers. Just look. It is beautiful. Got off my horse. This thing is beautiful. If you, the viewers, have any time in the world, just come to Panchgani. It is beautiful. We're basically standing in the sky. The climate here in the monsoon, it is like, it's feeling like the AC is on, but it's 2 degrees. It is extremely cold. Come here, but get your sweaters. Okay, see you in the next destination. Not in Panchgani, but it's just 30 kilometers. So it is really crowded right now. But for me, there is zero crowd. Since on weekends, it is extremely crowded. Yeah. Never come on weekends to Venna Lake. It's in Panchgani, and you should always keep cash in hand because each person will need 50 rupees to enter Mahabaleshwar. So you should never come on the weekends. Only weekdays, so you get less crowd. And there are horses, there's corn, anything corn is over here. And whenever you're coming after, this is a useful tip, whenever you're coming after September, you need to carry a jacket. Because right now, I did not carry anything that will make me warm. And I am feeling extremely cold. It feels like I've gotten frostbite on my hands. So, I'll see you on the boat. See ya. Hey guys, so we're currently in the boat and it's kind of drizzling and there's fog heading towards us, like right over there. It's really cold. I feel like I'm in Antarctica right now, and at least the water is not cold, but it's really fun here. So it will take extremely long, even on weekdays, to come on one of the boats. So you should come prepared, like maybe come with a couple of snacks or something. But there are snack stalls and just something for entertainment, because you at least have to wait for like 2 hours on a weekend and 1 hour on a weekday. It's really cold. Yeah, I'm fumbling my words up because it's so cold. So yeah, and you can touch the water here. I think there are fishes there and they don't bite. And it's really deep. So there's a separate area for life vests and this separate area to enter the boat. So there are 3 areas, 3 zones. 1 zone for the life jacket, 1 zone to pay for the tickets, and 1 zone so that you can enter the boat. There are 2 types of boats. There's a paddle boat and there's just a boat with like what do you call them?
Rowing.
Yeah, rowing boat. So yeah, come with jackets after September. So see you next time. Last night we also did a barbecue. It was really fun. Editor, please put some pictures in there. We had a blast yesterday. So fun, but sadly the power went out and we had to stay in the dark for like 20 minutes, half an hour. So I'll see you next time, guys. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Peace. Because the line along the Titanic was red and some red was smeared along the iceberg.